Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, we're so glad to have you. Today we're starting a brand new series, all about how to safely and confidently teach kids how to swim from scratch. And in this first episode, we'll go over 5 important things you need to prepare before you start swim lessons. First, check if your child is at least 3 years old. At this age, most kids start showing interest in water and are mentally ready to begin learning. But here's the key. Does your child have a fear of water? If yes, that fear needs to be addressed first. You can't begin swim lessons if the child is terrified. Where you teach them matters a lot. Start with a small, shallow pool. Backyard inflatable pools are a great option. Safety is a must. If there's no lifeguard, make sure a parent or adult is always present and watching closely. Small, safe pool, constant adult supervision. Now let's talk about gear. Kids need bright, sturdy swimming gear to stay safe and have fun. That includes a life jacket or float, swimming cap and goggles. This helps keep water out of their eyes. Comfortable swimwear. These aren't just for safety, fun. Colorful gear actually makes them want to get in the water. When teaching your child, your role as a parent is so important. Your child needs to know you're right there. That builds trust and confidence. Keep cheering them on, but never force anything. Patience and encouragement are the real magic here. 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough for beginners. More than that, and kids can get tired or lose interest. And remember, swimming is learned step by step. Let them start by just playing in the water. That's learning, too. So those were the 5 essential things to prepare before teaching your child how to swim. In the next episode, we'll cover how to help kids overcome fear of water. If this video helped you, please give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and helpful swim